Okay, today we're gonna upgrade headlights, light bulb for Chevy Cruze. I just got this from eBay. That's the company. It's H13. So light bulbs for headlights for Chevy Cruze, 2015 Chevy Cruze, and it is LED. It's a 6-side. There is connectors. They come with little fans for cooling, and don't touch the balls. This is 6-side, so we're gonna tear the old ones out, which is a regular light bulb, and we're gonna put these in. Well, this is 2015 Cruze. One light on, the second light is burned out. So we will go and change it. I'll change both of them. We'll upgrade it to LED. So we push on that grate, push on that grate clip. Then push on this clip to get it out. One, and then turn it counterclockwise. Yeah, you can see this one, it's burned. Take the original seal out. And then the reversal of removal. So this one has 6 sides, and it's got its own seal, its own O-ring. So we're gonna put this one in. and just plug it in. And then we put a spin and back in. That's it. So that's how it looks now. So here is the look after. Definitely it's brighter.